Originally scheduled as a concept for the 2020 Easter Jeep Safari, the Top Dog Gladiator is a fun vehicle designed for serious mountain bikers. The Top Dog uses the stock 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 with 285 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque to carry the beast around. The front end sports a Jeep Performance Parts Rubicon steel bumper and a concept hood which complements the Jeep Performance Parts snorkel and the 5-inch off-road lights. The Rhino rack on top holds extra gear and supplies as well as the 2 Trek mountain bikes. With room for 4, the cab of the Top Dog is indeed top-notch. The interior was finished in black catskin leather with canine blue accent stitching on the steering wheel, seats, armrests, and console. Tires are 37-inch BF Goodrich KM3 radial mud trains, and they're wrapped around 17-inch Jeep Performance Parts beadlock-capable rims. The rock rails are from Jeep Performance Parts as well, and are further customized with steel tubing for extra strength. Now, that Rubicon bumper houses a Warn 8,000-pound capacity winch with Spydura rope, and a similar Warn winch is tucked into the rear of the truck. The stock bed was replaced with a PCOR flatbed storage system with pull-out drawers, interior storage, and exterior lighting. It also features a battery-powered refrigerator and a unique electric hot dog roller grill, which lent the name Hot Dog to the concept. All in all, a wonderful concept from the guys at Jeep Performance Parts. We're glad it finally made it out to the Easter Jeep Safari this year in 2021.
Follow us on Gone Jeepin'. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.